I'm Ileana Ros-Lehtinen, and I'm always fighting for you. I keep fighting to get our economy back on track. I voted to help families to stay in their homes, to stabilize local property values, and to increase the availability of low-income housing. I work to bring millions in federal funding to improve our roadways and help modernize our Keys wastewater system. Keys residents know all too well the impact of hurricanes on our homes and small businesses. That's why I voted to rein in high insurance rates by improving the National Flood Insurance Program and establish a national catastrophe fund. I have worked to help Keys businesses receive the disaster assistance they need to recover and rebuild. I'm Ileana Ros-Lehtinen, and I approve this message to help all residents of the Florida Keys.
Paid for by the Ros-Lehtinen for Congress Committee.